In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 8 slides per page in PowerPoint. A fantastic way to save paper and make your presentation handouts more compact and easier to review whether you're prepping for a class, a meeting, or any presentation. Knowing how to efficiently print your slides can make all the difference. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've launched the application, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. Here you'll find a list of recent files and options to create a new presentation. Go ahead and open the file you're looking to print. If it's a recent file, you can simply click on it from the list provided. If not, you might need to navigate to where your presentation is saved and open it from there. Once your file is open and you're looking at the slides on your screen, you're going to navigate to the File menu. This is typically located in the upper left corner of the screen, or you might find it by clicking on what some call the File tab. Clicking here will take you out of the editing view and bring you into a menu with various options for managing your PowerPoint file. From here, your next step is to select Print. You might be tempted to immediately hit the big print button, but hold on. There's a specific way we need to set up our page to print 8 slides per page, and it's really simple once you know what to look for. After clicking print, you'll notice a section labeled Settings. Within this area, you'll see an option that says Full Page Slides. It may sound a bit misleading because what we're actually looking to do is print multiple slides on one page, not just one. Click on this drop-down menu to explore the other layout options PowerPoint has to offer. In the drop-down menu, you might be expecting to find an option that says exactly 8 slides per page. But instead, you're presented with options like 9 slides horizontal or 9 slides vertical. Here's where we'll need a tiny bit of creativity, since PowerPoint standard templates don't include an 8 slides layout directly. For our purposes, choosing either the horizontal or vertical 9 slides option will work, but keep in mind we will be specifying exactly 8 slides a bit later, so don't worry about that extra slot. Now look above the settings section to the Slides text box. This box allows you to specify which slides from your presentation you want to print. Since our goal is to print a total of 8 slides per page, this is where you type in the slide numbers you want to print, separated by commas. For example, if you want to print the first 8 slides of your presentation, you would type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After inputting your desired slides, it's time to click on the Print button. But before you do, ensure your printer is set up correctly and has enough paper. Once you're ready, clicking print will send your command to the printer, and momentarily you'll have your slides neatly printed, 8 per page. The final step in our process today is to save your file. This might seem a bit non-sequential since we've already printed our slides, but saving your file after adjusting print settings can be helpful if you plan to print this document again in the future. It saves you the trouble of redoing the settings next time you need to print. And there you have it. You've just learned how to print 8 slides per page in PowerPoint. This method is not only paper efficient, but also makes your slides compact and easy to reference, which is especially helpful during presentations or study sessions. Remember, the key steps are choosing the right layout option, specifying your slides, and finally printing and saving your document for future use. PowerPoint is a powerful tool for presentations, and knowing these small tips and tricks can significantly enhance your productivity and presentation quality. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve their PowerPoint skills, I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your presentations. Happy printing!